Good morning students, myself Bina Tripathi. Welcome to your online class. See students, this is your environmental studies part 1 textbook of standard 5. Students, today I am going to explain you in civics chapter 5 family values. See students, can you tell? There are 4 questions are there. First one, in your family, how do you make the decisions to go on a trip? See students, that means in your family member, suppose you are going to any place for trip purpose. Trip is what students? A journey especially for pleasure. Example students, you are going on a school trip. Okay, so what will be the, that means your decisions are there. Next question, second one, do you offer suggestion about the place to visit during the trip? Are you giving any suggestion where you have to go? Okay. Third question, do you get to suggest which guest should be invited over during a holiday? And see students, you are giving any suggestion, that means which guest should be invited over during a holiday time? Next question, fourth one, how do you help during preparations for festivals or functions at home? And see students, that means how do you help during preparation for festival or functions at home? On that time, how you are helping to your family? Okay. Role in decision making. We live together in a family. See students, we are living together in a family. Every person's likes and dislikes are different. Thoughts and opinion can also differ. See students, every person's likes and dislikes are different. It is not same, and our thoughts and opinion can also differ. It is also not same. Even ourselves are different from others, and sister, we are also different from others. Even so, our thoughts and opinion can match those of others on various topics. Say students, we are different with each other, okay, but sometimes what happens that our thoughts and opinion can match those of others on various topics. We have love and affections for each other. We take care of each other and are concerned about others people's well-being. Say students, so we have love and affections for each other, okay? In our family members, we can take care of each other persons and also concerned about other people's well-being. We talk to each other before making decisions about anything in the house. And say students, we are talk to each other before making decisions. Then whatever we have to do, that we will discuss on that base. We will talk with each other, and afterwards we will take the decision. Anything in the house, we consult each other and make decision that everyone agree with. And say students, that means the decision taken after consulting everyone, and everyone agrees with the decisions. So we will think about each other opinions, their thoughts. So all things, that is, all these are important in the family, and in this way we are the part of the decision making in the family. And see students, in this way we are part of the decision making in the family. Okay. Happens when everyone has a role in decision making. See students, 3 points are there. Each person gets the opportunity to say what they think. See students, when everyone has a role in decision making, so we have each person get the opportunity to say what they think. That means every members of the family get opportunity to express his or her opinion. Next question, by asking everyone's opinion, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspects. So say student, that means every aspect of subject is thoroughly discussed. So by asking everyone opinions, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspects. Third point, we feel like a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. So what do you think students? That means we feel that more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. Whatever we think that there should be value. That means when our opinion is valued, we feel closer to the family. Okay students, as we have a role in making decisions in our family, we also have a role in public decisions making. See students, how we have a role in making decisions in our family. Okay, same, we also have a role in public decisions making. In newspapers, we read about matters requiring public participation. So you read in the newspaper about, that means about matter requiring public participation. A few examples of such news have been summarized below. See students, read and discuss totally cancel. I mark with pencil. No need to read this. Read and discuss. Okay students. Feel the need for minor changes in our environment. So it is to our advantage that everyone has a role to making decisions about changes in our surrounding. So see student, it is our advantage to everyone has a role in making decisions about changes in our surrounding. The government we elect make decisions regarding public matters. If we feel that a decision made by the government is wrong, so we register our opinion. See students, you know that government we elect with the help of the voting. So people are giving the vote and these governments are elected. Okay students. So the government we elect, who are elected, publics are elected. So we elect makes a decision regarding public matters. But sometimes if we feel that decision made by the government is wrong, that the governments are taking the wrong decisions, so we have the rights, we can register our opinion, and in this way students we can be a part of the decision making process. Okay students, think today cancel. I have marked with pencil. No need to read this. Okay students. Can you tell? Note the following situations. Carefully state which of the children show honest behavior. So say student, there are 3 questions are there. So you have to find out that which students play the honest behavior. Means which children play the honest behavior. So say honest means what students? A person who is honest does not tell lies or cheat people. They will not cheat anybody and obey the law. Okay students. So first question, Afrin borrowed a pencil from Minu. After she finished using it, she returned it. So Afrin had taken the pencil from Minu. When she completed her work, she has returned back. So see students, Afrin play honest behavior. Okay. Next one, Sama fell from her bicycle. However, she told her mother, Neha pushed me off the bicycle. So see students, Sama fell from her bicycle, but what she told her mother, that Neha pushed me off the bicycle. That means she told lie. So she did not play the honest behavior students. Why? Because she told lie to her mother. Third question, Mary took a bag she found in the rickshaw to a police station. So see students, Mary took a bag she found in the rickshaw, she is given to the police station. And this way Mary also play honest behavior. Okay students. Effects of honest and dishonest behavior. We do many different things every day. Sometimes we make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk about it openly with our friends and family. So say students, that means we do many different things every day. Okay, sometimes we make mistake also, but when we realize that you have made a mistake or we have made a mistake, we should talk it about openly with our friends and family. Okay students. By doing this, we learn to be honest and find a way to correct our mistakes. And this way, when you do this, we learn to be honest and find a way to correct our mistakes. When whatever mistake we have done, we have to correct on that. Okay students. It is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. And in our work also we have to be sincere in our, that means honest. Whatever works our teacher is given, that you have to do it that. Okay. We must try hard to keep the trust in any relationship and never cheat. And see students, so we have to try hard to keep the trust in any relationships and never cheat anybody and don't tell lie. If we are honest, we do not have to afraid. So see students, that means when we are honest, we do not have to afraid, but we are dishonest. See students, suppose that means when we are honest, we do not have to be afraid, but if we are dishonest, we lose our self-confidence. We must be honest at home as well as in public. Everyone respect a honest person. See students, you know that everyone respect a honest person. Honesty is our strength. And this way student, don't tell lie anybody, don't cheat anybody, don't steal anybody things. Okay students, be honest and honesty is our strength. And whatever work your teacher has given or your elder has given, you have to do it that. Okay, not to don't tell lie. Okay students, you know totally cancel students. I have marked with pencil, no need to read this. Honesty in public life. If we are honest in our public life, students, we will get better public services and facilities. What happens if we travel on a train or bus without a ticket? So say students, suppose you are traveling with a train or bus without taking any ticket. And what happens that our public transport system will be run at a loss and will soon have to be shut down. If each person buy a ticket honestly, students, these problems will not arise. Okay students, and our public transport system will not run at loss. Okay students, and this way we have to play honesty in public life. If you are traveling any place or with a train or bus, take a ticket. Okay students, honesty can increase efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. And see students, this way honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. Okay students, advantages of cooperation. See students, cooperation is very important. We have to cooperate with each other. We have to help with each other. Okay, in a family we cooperate with each other. How is, see students, in the family we are cooperate with each other. Okay, similarly in team sports, the more the players cooperate with one another, the better is their game. So see students, in sports also, how the player cooperate with each other. Okay students, the better is their game. Instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to sports, we should bring it into public life as well. And same we have to bring it in public life into public life as well. Students, everyone needs cooperation in public life. We too need the help of other. Okay students, that means everyone needs cooperation, help, supports in public life. Students, we too need the help of others. Fairs, rallies and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with one another. So see students, during fair, rallies and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully when we cooperate with one another, when we support with one another. So see students, all these are the advantages of cooperation. We have to cooperate with each other, we have to help with each other, we have to support with each other. Okay students, and this way we have to help each other. So see students, what's the solution? So see the first 1, 2, 3 questions are there. Okay students, we meet a boy who has lost his way. So what you can do students, so you can ask that who has lost her way. So you do ask his address and contact his family members and inform them about his whereabouts. Okay students, and if possible, so I will drop him at his place. Okay students, and this will support help. Next question, while on a trip we realized that our friends has forgotten her tiffin at home. So what you can do students, so I will ask her not to worry and will share my tiffin with her. We to share it. Okay, third question, some people are stuck in the lift of a building. So what you can do students, so I will inquire whether this situation has risen out of power failure or technical fault, and we also take the help of that place who are living that place. Okay student, and this way we will support that person who was stuck in the lift. Okay students, and this way we have to cooperate with each other. Okay students, help, support. Okay students, read and discuss, read the dialogue given below, discuss the problem stated and its solution. So see students, two students are there, they are talking with each other. Our teachers taking us to see a fort. It will be a lot of fun, but let us not include Savita and Samir in our group. Savita talks too much and Samir is always playing prank. So what? Savita sings well, Samir tells jokes. Let us talk to them. They will understand. Let us not leave them out. That's true. I did not think of that. Let us prepare for the trip together. Yes, Gayatri, right. Let us learn new songs from Savita and new jokes from Savir. So these students are there. They are saying that their two friends are there, Savita and Samir. They are saying that we will not take them in the group. Why? Because Savita talks too much and Samir is always playing the prank. Prank means what? Was making the mischievous act or a practical joke, we can say that. And afterwards they are discussed that, and so their friends are saying that so what? Savita sings well. That means Savita is talks too much, but good things are there. She also sing well, as Samir also tell the jokes. So let us, we will not leave them. We will talk to them and they will understand. Let's not leave them out. So we will not leave them out. We will take them, and this way, that's true. I did not. That means they say that. That's true. I did not think of that. Let us prepare for the trip together, and we will let us make the preparation for the trip together. Afterwards, they said that yes, Gayatri writes, let us learn new songs from Savita and new jokes from Samir. We will not neglect them. We will take both of them, Savita as well as Samir. Okay, that means bad things are there, but good thing also there with their friends, and that's why because of bad things we will not neglect them. We will take them and we will join them in our trip. Okay, and this way, this is students are making the dialogue. Okay, students. Now let us learn about the tolerance. Tolerance means what, students? Respecting opinion which are different from our own is called tolerance, or broad-minded means open-minded. See students, we all have some fault. That means no one is perfect in the world, okay? So we all have some fault. We can improve on this fault with the help of our family and friends. And this means students, we have to make improvement on this fault. What are faults we have it? With the help of our families and friends. We may not agree with each other every time. So sometimes there are disagreement even between friends. At such time we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. So see students, that means we may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are disagreement also even between friends. And at such times students, we must try to understand the point of view of others also. Not only put our point of view, but also we have to listen the others' point of view also. And instead of insisting that only our point of view correct, on such occasion we must listen to the other person. That will not only put our point in front of the others, but also we have to listen the other person's points. And in this way we learn to be tolerant. Okay student, that means respecting opinion which are different from our own is called tolerance, or broad-minded, open-minded. Okay students, this has a special significance in our country, student. That means tolerance has a special importance in our country. People from various religion, creeds, culture and following different customs live here. That means students, in our India country there is a unity in diversity. Peoples in our country, different religions, we are living together, and our languages also different. That is why we can say that in India there is a unity in diversity. And that is why students, it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad-minded, means open-minded. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. I say students, how we can preserve our, that means diversity, can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enrich our social life. And this way students, diversity enrich our social life. It encourages us to think about others with concern. We can solve problems in our environment by being broad-minded. So see students, how we can solve our problems in our environment? By being broad-minded, means open-minded. Okay students. Gender equality. See students, what is gender equality? Gender equality is not to discriminate between boys, it is man, and girls, women, and respect for one another. We can say the gender equality. Boys and girls, or men and women, are equal as human beings. Both have the equal rights. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. And see students, both boys and girls have the equal rights, not to make any discrimination. Boys and girls must respect one another. We have to give the respect both of them, not to make any difference. In the company of our friends, we considered all of them to be our equals. So see students, your friends also, boys will be there, girls will be there, so not to make any difference with them, so all of them to be our equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as citizens when we grow up. And this way students, we must maintain this sense of equality, that is both are the equal rights, as citizens when we grow up. By developing this sense of equality, everyone gets to learn and make progress. And see students, this sense of equality, everyone get to learn and make progress, all have the equal rights, both of them, that is boy also and girls also, they can get to learn and make their own progress. Food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of man and woman. And you all know that students, what are the common needs of man and woman? That is food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of man and woman. You should know about that. So the question will come, suppose students, what are our common needs of man and woman? So what will be our answer students? Food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of man and woman. For the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. And see students, for the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. Man and woman have equal rights to facilities such as this. Similarly, man and woman must get equal opportunities of progress. And both man and woman have the equal rights to facilities such as these students, and similarly man and woman must get equal opportunities of progress. Okay students, that means you have to prepare the slogans on gender equality. Okay students, solution, see students, totally cancel, no need to read this, I have marked with pencil. Always remember, honesty increases efficiency in public life and make it possible to avoid wastage of time, money and labor. So see students, what you do, that means what is important, honesty increases efficiency in public life and make it possible to avoid wastage of time, money and labor. So see what we have learned in this chapter, what we have learned, some points are there, let's discuss. First point, everyone in the family must have a to say in decision making. Next point, we must be honest in our private and public life. We have to be honest in our private also as well as public life also. Next point, third one, tolerance and cooperation make our community life harmonious and peaceful. That means students, through cooperations and tolerance make our community life harmonious and peaceful. Next one, a tolerant attitudes make it easy to preserve diversity. And last one is, both man and woman are equal. It is not right to discriminate between them. Both have the equal rights students. Both man and woman have the equal rights, not to discriminate them. Okay students, exercise question number 1, fill in the blanks, and question number 2, answer in one line. So these are the assignment I am giving to you as your homework. You have to read this lesson twice, 2 times properly. I hope that you understood this lesson. Thank you.